guys, welcome to the next trade recap. We got Monday 25th of May, so let's get right into it. I was trading gold and NQ today, and yeah, it was quite a low volume day overall because we had bank holidays, even though the markets were open today, which was pretty nice, giving us some opportunities. And yes, let's get right into it. So first of all, coming into the day, we see that we made a huge fair value gap coming into the week. This fair value gap forming due to the bullish news on Iran war. So yeah, we're pretty much making all-time highs. We are retesting the Asia high right here in the New York session. And I was waiting for some shorts. Why? First of all, because I wanted to see price sweep this liquidity low right here, and also because we have an unclosed gap. So this is another confluence to look out for shorts. What was I looking for in the market? So first of all, I was looking for some sort of liquidity sweep to the upside, that we grab some buy side liquidity. For example, like something like this, coming to the market, sweeping it, closing back below with a 15-minute candle. So we would have a 15-minute candle with a big wick, sweeping the Asia high, closing back below, and then I would drop and look for some sort of IFVG entry for shorts. And what really happened was we didn't sweep the Asia high. We only managed to make relative equal highs with the Asia high. So we spike up, and after that we are getting a 5-minute IFVG, as you can see here. Price is just smacking through it. At this point, I wasn't chasing the market, obviously because we haven't got a liquidity sweep, but also because we had no opportunity to get into the position because there are no retests. As you can see, price is just smacking through. If you would get some sort of retest back into this IFVG, closure within, closure outside of it, back below, I would go for shorts and then just target maybe this liquidity low, so just a fixed 1 to 3, something like that. But yeah, no trades for me today on NQ. On the other side, we had gold, and I was trading gold today. So as you can see here, gold also made a huge fair value gap right here, coming off the weekend. We have an Asia high, we have a lower high on London session, and then we sweep the London high during New York session and continue back down. My idea was here to trade shorts as well, because obviously we are reacting and delivering from bearish fair value gaps all the way. First of all, there's this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, as you can see here. Dropping to the 15-minute time frame, we have what was it? Yeah, we had this one. We inversed that one. We inversed to the upside. Then we had a reaction, dropping to the 5 minutes. We also had a bearish IFVG forming for us, as you can see here. And this was pretty much my position. I just entered on this candle closure here, put my stop loss above the swing high, and I just targeted the closest lows. As you can see here, it's a 1 to 2.3 risk to reward ratio. And yeah, that was pretty much it. As you can see here, I get swept. I get stopped out. London highs are being swept, and yeah, but the trade was alright. It was taken patiently. It wasn't impulsive. I was waiting for my confluences to play out. Bias was there. Confluence to trade, at least trade and tend towards the um, closure of this big fair value gap, as gold is often doing, was also pretty significant and aligned. So yeah, I just took the shorts here, got stopped out. That's alright. Moving on, I just took I think it was 1 hour loss, 50 bucks or something on my prop firm, account. So yeah, moving on. Tomorrow is a big day, or at least a bigger day, I should say. More volatility, more volume in the markets, and we're just going to be looking for some nice opportunities. Probably bearish buyers to close the fair value gap. But again, here you can say that the bias is just bearish, even though we have like bullish news. So structurally speaking, we would want to see the gap being closed, right? But for that to happen, for such a big move to happen out of nowhere, it's pretty unlikely, right? So we would need some sort of bearish fundamental news coming in, something that is forcing the market to go down, and something that puts pressure on the price to move further down. So these would be the things I would look out for tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow with another trade recap for you guys. And yeah, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.